smell here, it's almost unbearable. The holy walls of Medina. You will get lost over and over and over again. Bonjour, salam, welcome to FEZ, the second biggest city in Morocco. We are gonna explore this incredible Medina, the biggest labyrinth in the world. I will not be alone because...
Hey guys! Welcome to FEZ! Yay!
Let's do it! Let's go! The city is very overwhelming, but if you book a riad in the heart of the Medina, like this one for instance, you will find some peace, because almost every riad has a patio as well as a rooftop where you can admire the view of this stunning city. This is the breakfast that has just been served. Check out this view. The Medina of Fez was founded in the 9th century and it grew in the 12th and 13th centuries to about the size that it is today. When you're inside the Medina of Fez, you lose perspective of time. Not just the amount of time you have been wandering for the enormous labyrinth, but also the Medina's position in the timeline of Morocco's culture. It may be the 21st century as a wonder for the souks and the residential areas, but in many ways, it could be any century from the past millennium. This Medina, compared to the one of Marrakesh, is much less touristic. We only met maybe 10 tourists in 4 or 5 hours since we are walking. But also it's much bigger. It's made of 9,500 little streets and 14 gates. And it's actually the biggest Medina in the world, but also the biggest pedestrian area in the world. It's full of this scaffolding, which means that most of the buildings are really very old and they could fall down. Shall we go to Deb Abdulhamana or Deb Safara? We're now heading to the most visited site of Fez, the tunnels of Chouara. We know that we are close because the smell here, it's almost unbearable.
It's really smelly, really bad.
Wow, that's incredible. Hello. Salam.
وين يوصي زيد وابونا 10 درهم يوصي مليح الحاجة مليح الحاجة مليح قلبي وابونا 10 درهم يوصي 10 درهم يوصي والحوسي مال يوصي
Hello. Salam.
يوصي تاهو بحال بحال قاعد بحالي وين يوصي وابونا 10
If you fancy a dentist here we are. There's a guy following us since like 15 minutes. He wants to sell us a tour of the mosque of the Andalus. So we need to walk faster and faster. As soon as you make eye contact with anyone, you get assaulted, literally. How did they come up with 9,500 street names? Fun. I love to get lost in these little streets. Thank you. Lost? Maybe that way. So we should go that way, but she's a bit scared. So let's change direction. Safer way.
Maybe.
Look at this door. Check it out. Only is closed since years, or maybe centuries. Who knows? Some of these alleys are quite sketchy, even during the daytime. You will get lost over and over and over again. But that's the fun of the Medina of FEZ, guys.
Taxi of Medina.
The taxi of Medina.
What's up? He's coming this.
The taxi is stuck.
The big one is not going this way.
Ah, okay.
Just like this.
There's more one. That's so cute. We'll follow him. We'll follow the taxi. Yeah. Thank you. Bye. See you. Let's follow the taxi. Come on. Oh my god. Ooh. Okay. Wow. That's very good, man. Anyway, making a list of places you want to see within the Medina, it's almost impossible because you will get lost anyway, sooner or later. So you just need to go with the flow. Finding a proper place to eat within the Medina is quite challenging. It's quite challenging, I would say. But actually we found this very cute restaurant called Ruin Garden. Prices are very, very cheap. The food is delicious. And the location is amazing as well, so really recommend it. Check out this stunning fountain, and then there is this glass, which is basically used by everyone who wants to drink at this fountain. It's basically shared by everyone. Pretty disgusting. Wow, look at this place. And here we are at the Blue Gate, probably the most famous entrance to the Medina. She was approached by a young man. What did he say?
If I want a good husband, do you want a good husband?
I'm not?
Photo de fête de mariage.
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 What do you sell here? Hello.
Good?
Nice to meet you.
Ah, nice.
Marriage.
Mariage.
Okay.
Mariage. Mariage.
Well, I'm not married yet. If I will get married, I will come here to you.
Yes, good.
Thank you.
Welcome. Welcome.
Thank you.
Cos'è, Maria, per quando ti sposi?
Yeah.
When you get married.
Yes.
Let's get married.
What is this place? Really? It's a house. There are some houses there. What is this? Oh. Oh. End of the street. Look at this little door. Wow. Oh, so cool. This should be the football team of FEZ. I'm not sure what's the name, but look at this street. So narrow. Absolutely fascinating, this place, guys. Let's do an haircut.
حكم العالم بس فاس
Fes,
حكمة
Fes, Hakma,
العالم
Lalef. Great, good.
Very.
Be aware that the streets of the Medina are full of what we call the helpful strangers. So random guys who will approach you, telling you that actually the streets you are walking is closed, the gate in front of you is closed, so you should follow them and they will point you in the right direction. They will help you basically to find your Riyadh, the restaurants you are looking for, or the exit of the Medina. Well, in our experience here in this day, actually 90% of the time their advices are not correct. So they are just trying to force you to follow them, and then they will ask you for some tips, some money. And to be honest, some of them can be quite pushy or quite aggressive. So if you meet any of them, just walk straight, head down, say no thank you, I know where I'm heading to, and you will be fine. After having marched for nearly 8 hours, it's wise to step back, relax, chilling out, enjoying, yeah, whatever.
The walk.
So that's why we are heading to the most famous viewpoint of Fez, which is called
Marinids.
Yeah, to appreciate the sunset over the Medina. Let's check it out. In order to reach the viewpoint, you need to pass through this incredible graveyard. The locals here are very friendly. Like 99% are very friendly. Of course, that 1% are very pushy and a bit overwhelming. But this doesn't ruin our experience in Morocco. A really fascinating country. Guys, this is epic. Check this out. Guys, even this little adventure is over. We are flying back to London very soon. Fez. If you wanna enjoy the real Morocco, you should come to Fez. It was, to be honest, a bit overwhelming at the beginning, but then we really enjoyed amazing people, amazing Medina, full of colors, sounds, smells, but was amazing. As always, if you like this video, please put a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see in the next adventure.
Bye,
Ciao.
guys.
Ciao.